All right, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're at right now. I went up to Marquee Mall the other day and picked up the security system for the Sorry store. I'm home right now, as you can see. I got to get up there and install this, but yeah, I went with a simple system, Rover Security System. I mean, they'd have very expensive ones in there and they have very cheap ones in there. I didn't go cheap, I didn't go expensive, kind of went in the middle of the road. Got two cameras. Let me show you what I all got here. So I got the Rover HD analog CCTV hybrid video recorder, 1 terabyte. Was actually on sale, so I went with that. And the guy told me it can hold up to 15 days, 16 days of recording, 24 hours, 7 days a week. What it does, it just erases the back end of the, you know, if it's restarted recording on the 1st of the month and it comes up to the 16th and it's full, it'll just erase the first, and so on and so forth throughout the day. But yeah, picked up this, the analog video recorder, also the power supply for it, and then I picked up the two cameras here and two 10 meters cords. They had 20, but 20 was just way too long, so they actually had 10. Somebody got smart and cut the 20 in half and started selling 10s, and then of course got another cord here to hook up to the power supply. But yeah, the cameras, like I said, they're simple cameras. The Rover 1/2.7 inch color IR infrared dome. In other words, they can record at night, 1080p, 2 megapixels. Now they did have cameras that would record color at night, but I didn't choose that route. Of course, they were more expensive. But yeah, I mean, they're just simple, decent cameras. Like I said, nothing very expensive, middle of the road. So now my task is to get up to the store and install these cameras. Very easy. You know what they do here in the Philippines? Whenever you buy something electronics, whether it's something like this, a TV, a radio, speakers, fans, microwaves, toasters, they actually hook everything up in the store to make sure it works. I know when I bought my toaster, they checked to make sure that worked. The fans, they assembled the fans right there, plugged it in, make sure everything works. They did the same thing here with this system. So they were very friendly up there, and they're very good people. And guy showed me everything. He walked me through everything, how to hook everything up, how to set everything up, gave me his email, gave me his telephone number. He told me, listen, if you have any problems, just give me a call. So yeah, I'm gonna hook this up. We didn't get a TV monitor to monitor the cameras. I'm gonna download the app into my laptop and also into my phone. There's a app for a phone. So no matter where we're at, if we have our phone, we can check it. If we're home, we can check it on the laptop or the phone. But anyways, now I gotta head up there and install it, and I'll show you guys how it runs and how everything is set up, and I'll show you the camera views. All right, I just got done running the cords and installing the cameras. I'm a mess. Look at me. I think I sweated like a gallon of water. I think I'd work for about 5 minutes, sit down and take a drink, work for another 5 minutes, sit down, take a drink. Because boy, it's hot out today, and it really sucked the juice out of me. And you know what's even worse is this is the time where I really miss my tools from back in the United States. I mean, I had a cordless drill, and I could zip the Phillips head screws right into where I needed to get them done and everything like that. Make pilot holes, but yeah, I had to do everything with my hand, old-fashioned, old school. Had to use a nail to set a hole to drill my screws in. But anyways, the cameras are up, everything is good to go. The problem is they give me a little disc. I'll show you. They give me this little disc for the download software, but I stick it in my computer and it doesn't do it. I mean, it doesn't read it, it's too small, so throw that away. But the good part is I contacted the guys over at the mall. Like I said, those guys are excellent. He's going to email me the download for the system. Got everything ran, got everything plugged in, and once I get it up running, I will show you guys the camera system. But yeah, let me quick show you here where we have them mounted. We got the one mounted right here on the, right here, hang on. Oh, let's get some stinky food. Ooh, what is that?
Yes?
Yeah. Whatever it is, it's stinky.
Pork instinct.
Pork intestine, eggplant, some type of caldereta, and rice. Anyways, the one camera is here, and the field of view is probably going to be, you know, from here over to here. So we'll get that field of view through here. We can see the customers when they come up. And the other camera is mounted right up there. We mounted it up there directly down into the area right here. So when we give out change and everything, if there's a discrepancy or somebody comes back and says, oh, you didn't give me the right amount of change, or, you know, whatever, or you never gave me this product, we have it right here, and we can play it back. But anyways, the cameras are up, they're mounted. Like I said, I think I sweated about 10 gallons of water. And Lutz eating, Hannah Grace is eating, and once I get everything set up and running, I'll show you the camera views. I'll tell you what, it is more challenging in the Philippines. I went online, tried to find a download for the system. Couldn't find it. Texted the guys over there. Guys sent me the link. Downloaded the system, have everything hooked up. I cannot find the cameras on my system. You go online, nothing really online to show you, you know, how to hook up this particular security camera system. You know, that's one of the challenging things here, to try to find things online to help hook things up. I mean, they give you a pamphlet, but you might as well shred it. It's worthless. No online help, anything like that. It's probably because it's a foreign product. It's not that it's a bad product. It's a foreign product, and having a hard time. Like I said, I got everything up. I got the system download. I have all that. I just cannot find the cameras. They won't come up. They won't show. And I know I have everything hooked up. So, anyways, guys texting me now, and of course they don't have no service on the weekend to come help you out. But it is more challenging in the Philippines. Alright guys, here's what's going on. I've been texting back and forth with the guy pretty much for the past 2 hours. Everything is installed. I'm almost 100% sure that I have it hooked up right. I think the issue lies in the fact that I'm not running a monitor. I'm running my laptop, which they told me is perfectly fine. I have my Ethernet connected to my my wireless router, and also to the the security box. I don't know why it's not sending a signal. I mean, I'm getting a screen, but it's just blank. So the guy's actually coming up after work. Gets off work at 9 o'clock, and he's coming up here to hook this all up. Like I said, it becomes frustrating because the manual is just, it's a joke. And you go online to their website, and that's another joke. Not to say the cameras are not bad, because they are good when they're up and working. But anyways, this was a fail today. I guess stay tuned for tomorrow, and should have this thing up and running. What do you got to say, Lut? I know Lut has been putting up with me and my frustration all day, screaming and yelling and cussing and swearing and trying to figure this out. What do you got to say, Lut? Lut, what do you got to say? Close this one out.
Well, I try to be quiet because I know you're frustrated.
She said to me a little while ago.
I told him, relax. Just calm down. You can fix things because your frustration is not good to your health. Why don't you want to send a message? Tell them you need to come there, or just give the camera back and get your money back. That's all my suggestion, and that's my simple advice, you know, because I see me so stressed, so you see the frustration make him crazy. And so kind of like quiet. I don't want to say anything to make him more hyper. And then later on I said, no, this is not good for you at all.
All right, wrap this one up, Lut.
I don't know how to wrap again. All right, guys.
Tomorrow's another day.
Tomorrow is another day.
And we will have this installed up and running to show everybody tomorrow.
Yes.
Correct, Lut?
Yes.
All right.
Hopefully.
All right.
Until next time.
And time to calm down.
Yes.